Hi, Steve Gale here. In this video what we're going to do is we're just going to test the analog serial read with the YUN. So what we're going to do is I've got the YUN connected and I've got the Arduino IDE running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load an example. I'm going to go to the basics and I'm going to load analog read serial, and I'll just expand that. So here's my analog read serial. Now what this does in the setup is that it sets up the serial port at 9600 baud, and then within a loop, which is the loop here, then what it does is it does an analog read on pin A0, and it brings that in as the sensor value, and then it simply does a serial.println and prints out the sensor value to the serial port and offers a short delay, a 1 millisecond delay, and then goes around the loop again and just continues to loop. So what we're going to do is we'll compile that sketch, and you can see it's compiled okay, and we'll upload the sketch. But before we do, we need to make sure that we're using the serial port on the YUN. Now you can see down here we've got Arduino YUN on COM7. So just to verify that, we go Tools, Port, and we've got COM7 selected for the Arduino YUN. If you've got your YUN on if connected to your YUN via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and you've also got the possibility of connecting to your YUN via IP, for this particular exercise you need to make sure that your YUN's connected on a COM port, so we select COM7. So when we go to the upload sketch, now what we want to do is we want to run tools and we want to run the serial monitor, but we want to run the serial monitor on a COM port, so COM7. So you can see there that this is running, and this is the just being a random value which is being continuously read back from the analog input, analog 0. Now I've got nothing connected, so it's just sort of floating. So if I take my finger and I put my finger on that analog input port, you should see that and you can see there that the analog signal varies quite substantially. So just to show you that that's actually functioning. Okay, thank you.